Hi there, I'm Rob Franek. I'm Editor-in-Chief here at the Princeton Review. Last week we published a video advising you to check out the scoring rubric before you actually sit to take your AP exams. And the logic behind that was pretty simple. You should know exactly how you'll be scored so that you can be strategic about earning every one of the available points on your AP exam. So today we're following up because the process for actually finding those rubrics, in our opinion, rivals the process of prepping for the AP exams themselves. It sounds like I'm exaggerating, but honestly, I'm only partially kidding. But folks, be that as it may, just because the College Board made the rubrics silly, hard to find, doesn't diminish their value. So I'm going to walk you through the easiest steps to find your AP rubrics so that you can use them for your prep over the next week and weeks of time. Now, step one, you're going to go to the College Board site and you're going to navigate to the page called AP Exam Schedule 2020. And just as a general housekeeping thing, I'm going to put that specific link as well as all of the links that we talk about today in our session description here on YouTube. But I digress. Once you're at that page, again, the page being the AP Exam Schedule 2020, then scroll down to the subsection titled Course-Specific Exam Information, and there you'll find a list of AP subjects. You click on your subject of choice and then you expand it. Now, for the example that I'm going to be using, I'm clicking on the AP English Language and Composition exam. And then I'm going to scroll down in the exam description binder to the row labeled Corresponding Free Response Question Type. That's corresponding FRQ type. And there you're going to find all the information about question types and type for your exam. And in this case, this year's AP English Language exam will be a rhetorical analysis question, which is typically free response question number 2 in prior year's exam. But you're not done yet, folks. We're going to move on to step 2. You navigate again to the AP Courses and Exam page, and from there you're going to select AP English Language and Composition. Scroll down and click on Go to Course and then About the Exam, and then scroll all the way down and download the files labeled 2019. That's right, last year's exam, 2019 AP English Language and Composition free response questions and scoring guidelines. And then focus your attention on FRQ number two, because essentially that will be your test in this administration of the 2020 AP exam. Now, could the College Board actually make this any easier to find? Folks, the truth is that some of the exams actually do have a shortcut to finding their rubric. So let's do the same process and we'll walk through getting that information for the AP US History exam. Now we're going to go back to step 1, which is you go to the College Board site, you navigate to the page labeled AP Exam Schedule 2020, and then you scroll down just like before to the subsection titled Course-Specific Exam Information, and then you click on AP US History. Now, because this year's exam consists of a modified document-based question, meaning this type of question was not on last year's exam, the College Board provides the link to the rubric, the glorious rubric, right there in the exam description. And once you click on the hyperlinked word rubric, then you'll be taken to that detailed description of precisely how you'll be scored. Folks, all of this is to say that finding this information on the College Board's website is not super user-friendly, nor is it intuitive. But as we've talked about in past AP videos, if you get this crucial information and apply it in your studying during this next week, then folks, you're going to be in a very good position to perform superlatively on your AP exams. And honestly, we teach this to all of our Princeton Review students. The best way to prep effectively is to know exactly how you'll be scored and then use that information to inform your practice. Folks, as always, I'm hoping that this video segment is helpful to you as well as our past ones. If there's a comment that you have, please do leave it here and we'll do our level best to answer it. Again, folks, I'm Rob Franek. I'm Editor-in-Chief here at the Princeton Review. I'll be back with you tomorrow.